Hi there. Welcome to Encompass Yourself. My name is Kelly McKinstry and I'm your transformational guide. So for today's video, I want to talk about what is happening with the energies in the collective. So what I'm referring to, and some of you may have seen a post that I have done recently about us transitioning from the controlling patriarchal energies and into the more feminine energies, which is just about, restoring balance is all, right? So we are at the point where we are stepping into a new paradigm of relationships and relating. So we've seen this play out on a grander scale in the political arena, but it is also showing up in our personal lives as well, right? So this has been boiling under the surface for a very long time. So it is surfacing like a revolution in our evolution. So it's kind of like the Black Moon Lilith warrior energy pushing back, and what the challenges or what we're being asked to look at and cultivate is our own self-worth at this point. It's about stepping into our own power. It's about trusting ourselves and our own decisions so we can restore the balance in our relationships and relating, right? We have relationships to everything, right? So we can see how important this is to have balance. So that starts with ourselves first. So what can we do as individuals that will make ourselves feel worthy and secure and in our own empowerment? And as we cultivate all of those things and restore our own balance within ourselves first, that will radiate out and affect our environment instead of our environment affecting us personally, right? So I encourage you to ask yourselves those questions and and cultivate all of that new stuff. So it starts, like I said, one thing, one person at a time. We don't have to go out and join a group or become a protester in any way. It starts in as our own individual selves, and one by one, like a domino effect, because we are all connected, that change will inevitably just occur, right? But again, it starts with us. So I encourage you to go out and encompass yourself with yourself. So until next time, be well.